Hey friends, my name is Amy and welcome back to another Try It Out Tuesday. It's gonna be a little while until you guys actually see this video because we decided to start uploading vlogs to the main channel again, and I've got a few of those that are waiting to go up on a Tuesday, so the next free Tuesday we have after the vlogs, you will be seeing this, but I don't know when that's gonna be. That was an unnecessary tangent. If you're new, that happens sometimes, just so you know. But back to business. This Try It Out Tuesday is going to be different from the other Try It Out Tuesdays I've done in the past because I'm not doing like a first impressions review of a specific product. I am trying out a Pinterest hack, and we all love a Pinterest hack. Today I'm trying out a really famous Pinterest hack, which is using rubbing alcohol or the equivalent that I managed to find to repair broken pressed makeup powder products. I'm sure we've all been through the trauma of packing makeup in a suitcase to take traveling, or just accidentally flinging it off the dressing table and then finding that it's smashed. I'm clumsy, it happens to me a lot. In the past, I've tried to just work with the crumbs of what I have, which isn't a great idea. But today, we're gonna have a go of seeing if we can fix these broken products. If you guys are interested in seeing more Try It Out Tuesday videos like this, where I'm trying out a technique of something rather than a product per se, then go ahead and let me know. But for now, let's just get into this and hope for the best. So I have all of the things that I should need laid out here in front of me. I've got rubbing alcohol, or what I've been assured is the same thing. It's surgical spirit. I got it at Boots for £5 for a big old bottle. Ooh, I'm sure I'm never going to use a bottle this big, but it was the smallest one they had. I have a little bowl, I have a spoon, I have toothpicks, and I have my broken makeup products. I have my broken Mary Luminizer by The Balm and a broken eyeshadow single from Makeup Geek, which is Grandstand. I'm very attached to both these makeup products. I think they are both wonderful. I need them in my life. So that's why I'm going to all of this effort today to fix them. So the first thing I'm going to do is empty whatever is left in the pan of my makeup product into the bowl, and then use, I guess, a combination of the toothpicks and the spoon to grind it all up into smaller bits. This goes against everything within my soul to be crushing up beloved makeup products. It doesn't feel right to me. Then little by little, I'm gonna add in my surgical spirit and swirl it around until I get something resembling a paste. Finally, I'm gonna scoop that weird mixture back into the pan and leave it to set. That went better than expected, which is something I very rarely say on this channel. So I'm gonna very carefully hold this up so you can see. It's still wet, but you can see that it is all pressed back into the pan. I went and I smoothed everything over with my finger because, as you probably saw, trying to do it with the spoon just wasn't working out. That's probably not the proper way to do things, you know, getting your fingers in there, but it worked. This is how my eyeshadow pan turned out. It's kind of hard for you to see because they're both so reflective and I have my ring light on, but it's nice and smoothed out, looking pretty good. I did have an incident with the surgical spirit. I did tip it, but hey, at least now I know that my dressing table is really, really clean and disinfected. But only time will tell whether this truly worked, because yes, it looks good. Yes, it's in one solid piece again, but is the makeup actually gonna work? When I dip my brush in there, is it all gonna fall to pieces? Hopefully not. So I'm gonna give this a couple of hours, come back maybe later today, maybe tomorrow morning, depending on how my day pans out, but I will let you know how this pans out with the pans. See what I did there? Okay, I should probably leave then. Okay, bye. I have returned. Please ignore the giant mess behind me. I've got some packing to do, but I wanted to take a little procrastination break from that to check back in with you guys and show you how my makeup products are looking now. They obviously don't look as good as new, but they've set, they have returned to a powder form, and they work. I get the feeling it's a little bit more fragile than it was pre-destruction. I don't know whether that's just because it looks so lumpy and bumpy that it almost just looks like it should be more fragile as opposed to actually being more fragile. Time will tell with that, but definitely I can swipe it, I can swatch it, I can use a brush, and it's staying in one piece. That was almost too easy if you ask me, because if you've watched me experiment with anything ever here on this channel, that time I baked my face is coming to mind and it looked like I was a mutant. Like, things typically don't go well for me, especially on camera, so the fact that this actually appears to have worked shocks me. So thank you guys for joining me for this experiment today. Like I said earlier, if you guys want to see more things, I'm wearing sunglasses. But like I said earlier, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, trying out like different hacks and stuff, go ahead, send me your recommendations, send me anything that you'd like to see, and I will do my best to get on that. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss out, and I will see you all soon. Bye!